Hi, I'm Ryman Weiman from Aeromethod Precision. At Aeromethod, we manufacture aerospace components, typically prototype parts that have really short lead times and complicated, tricky things. We use the Lyndex-Nikken products we use are SK, Collet chucks, milling chucks, and a lot of shrink fit tooling. We keep coming back to Lyndex because the selection is really good and the performance is very, very good. And also the price is quite competitive. We buy a lot of shrink fit holders and the runout is basically zero. The variety is really good, and yeah, we have nothing bad to say about them. They're great. The SK tool line is, the performance is insane. I've never had a tool pull out of one of those holders, and we go in all sorts of hard materials. The runout is really, really good. When you get those holders, you can just feel the quality of the product. The threads just are insanely smooth, and everything about it is very high quality. And it translates to the parts that we make, which are very high quality parts. Finishes are great. It's a great product. The Lyndex milling chucks are also a really high performing piece of kit. I mean, the runout is great. They have a little bit more mass, so more inertia when they cut, and so we use them for different applications, but it's a great product and they last forever. Lyndex-Nikken support is really great. They get back to me immediately, and they know that if I'm calling, I need that shipped that day, so they kind of like move things along for me, which I really appreciate. The prices are very competitive, which I really appreciate, but they're fast and they have a lot of inventory in stock, and for our industry, that's what we need. We need things, right away.